Hello and welcome to your MES lesson. I'm Virginia. Today, you're going to learn the what and the how of asking questions with have to. Let's start with what. What are these questions used for? They are used to ask about certainty, necessity, and obligation. For example, do I have to bring my passport? Good. Now let's learn how. How do you use these questions? First, know how to conjugate have to. Let's use the example, reserve a table. If you want to ask about yourself, please repeat. Do I have to reserve a table? If you want to ask about me, do you have to reserve a table? If you want to ask about a man, for example, Doug, does Doug have to reserve a table? If you want to ask about a woman, for example, Pamela, does Pamela have to reserve a table? If you want to ask about you and me, do we have to reserve a table? If you want to ask about other people, do they have to reserve a table? It's very important to memorize this conjugation fluently before you start practicing video B. Next, you need to study your vocabulary to know a variety of verbs. For example, do you have to reformat your computer? Take math. Listen. Excellent. Now, let's review. First, what are have to questions used for? They are used to ask about certainty, necessity, and obligation. Second, how do you use these questions? You use them by knowing the conjugation of have to and building a more specific question with the vocabulary. Well done! Let's move on to video B to really practice making your own questions. Remember to keep on reviewing your vocabulary. I'm Virginia. See you next time.